All right, so I found my entry. I'm confident in my entry. Now, my stop loss, you can see I'm kind of like hesitant. I'm moving it. So what I'm thinking in the trade is that I've been trying to decipher whether I wanted to put it at the end of the zone or if I want to wait until another low is created and then maybe put it at that low. So where you see that red line, a high was created. So I'm trying to decipher in my mind too, like, do I want to go ahead and move it up since now we have a high? So yeah, my stop loss is still, it's below the 200 too. So I'm like, okay, maybe we're good, or I'm satisfied with the stop loss being below the 200, really all the EMAs. So right here, you see I'm getting a little nervous. We're pulling back. So I'm like, maybe I should give it some room. So there's like a little indecisive place in the area where I move the stop loss. So I'm like, okay, we'll be good there. Let me move my stop loss there. So ideally, this is where I would have left my stop loss. And this is what I'm going to do going forward anytime that I have a low. So what I was looking at here is I was waiting for price to break above the high for it to be considered a full pivot. So I was going to be comfortable putting my stop loss at that level if we crossed above that pink line, which is the high. But we never got that. So if I would have left it there, well, we'll get into that. So when price started doing all that there, I should have known to go ahead and just be up out of there. But I don't know. I think I'm torn between putting the stop loss at the bottom of the zone and being hopeful that it will just go ahead and break that high. So at this point, I'm just like, I just moved my stop loss all the way to the low of the zone. So I'm like, okay, I'll just go ahead and put my stop loss there. It will max out my max loss per day that I set for myself, which is still not bad. But yeah, I'm going to do that differently next time. I don't think I'm going to wait until it reaches the zone, like right in that area where it pretty much created that, it did create that low. That's where I'm getting out at, because I could have lost a lot less than my max daily loss that I set for myself. Okay, so right here we are pretty much done. It went past that low and we are out of there. Crazy thing is, later on it came back. It literally just wicked me out by a couple of ticks, went right back in my direction up to my take profit zone. Okay, so here is the aftermath. That's where I entered, and this right here is where it got me out at. Literally a couple of ticks, points, whatever. But you can see it did break that high, went right up, and then it went to my take profit too and beyond. So, yeah, next time, I wouldn't say I didn't do anything wrong. I just needed to be decisive in my stop loss, but it's all good. I am going to commit to that in the next trades that you see in this series for September. So I'll see y'all in the next video.